What is going on, everybody? So, it is officially time to review the results for February of 2022 for the rapid signals. So, every single month, we are connecting an account directly to the Telegram group. As you can see here, this is our signal channel right here. So, every month, we're connecting an account directly to this group, and we have an application that is taking every single trade for us. For example, this buy area on gold. So we're giving out the entry, take profit, and stop loss levels. The app that we've built is actually taking the trade with the level that's placed. It's taking one trade for the final TP. So it's either hitting stop loss or final TP. Those are the current settings that we do have for the application. So let's go up to another example. For example, Euro AUD, this is actually this month. We had a sell at 1.5100. So it's going to take a trade at 1.5100, and then it's going to put the stop loss at 1.515, which is about 50 pips. And then the final take profit was 5 risk reward. So it's 1481. So it's going to calculate 1% trade for this position, and then it's going to take that trade, and it's either going to hit stop loss or hit TP. So those are the current settings that we do have for the account when we're doing this right here. So we're connecting it to FXBook, and then every single trade is being taken on the account and it's being monitored live. So as you can see, February's results, 23% gain, and these results could have even been improved. I'm going to go over this at the end. So we started with a 100K account. Obviously, this is a demo, so we are connecting as a master account right now, a demo account. For those that are in the Telegram already, you can see this month we took an FTMO challenge with it and we just passed. So we'll go over that in March's review. So this month you could see we had some steady gains here. We ended up making 10% pretty quickly. Then we had some drawdowns. We went down 4%, then we went back up 11%, had a little bit of a fall off here over the weekend. And then we ended up going up about 20%, taking a dip down to 14, and then we ended up about 24%. So up and down, as you guys can see, this is real trading here. We're taking some losses along with some wins. Let's take a look at the drawdown. So on no given day was the drawdown more than 6% or more than 4%. So the max drawdown that we actually had on any given day was actually about 2%. As you can see here, because we had 3.09% on February 22nd, and then February 21st, 1.09%. So if you subtract these, in this day, we had 2% drawdown. So we did not have much drawdown throughout the entire month on this strategy, which is obviously really good. So growth, again, 23%. Let's look at some of the other statistics here. We had total 57 trades that were given out. Our win percentage was 51%. So we did win more than we lost, but that doesn't matter because we had a really good risk reward. Our average win was 1,800, average loss was 1,000, and you can see our best trade was a 1.47 risk reward trade. So one of our trades we risked 1% on every position. That's what we're doing inside of this account. And as you can see, we literally hit a almost 5% trade on one of these trades. So definitely good risk reward. Although the win percentage isn't as high, as long as you have good risk reward, you're always going to be profitable. You can see longs won 56%, shorts won 46%. So relatively similar when it comes to that. Best trade pips wise, 2,000 pips. Worst trade pips wise, 1,000 pips. Now we're trading a lot of different pairs here, a lot of different symbols. So it's not really accurate to go by the pips that were made. Let's come into the history here. As you can see, a lot of diversity with the actual symbols that we're trading. We got Forex, we've got indices, we've got gold. So we're trading all different pairs here. And let's go ahead and look. What was the biggest trade that we took? Again, biggest trade, 4.4% just about. On this US 30 trade, we had another one, 4.3, 3.5, 3.1, 2.4. So a ton of big trades that were hitting. And then as you can see here, we had some that were a bit less than that, and then we had some losses. And as you can see, all of the losses are not over 1%. So we're not risking more than 1% on any given trade, and that's very important to note. Then you can see the pips here. So largest trade was these trades on gold, 2,000 pips on each of them. And this is why the pips don't matter, guys. 2,000 pips on this one, we only call it 0.9%. 2,000 pips on this one, we call it 2.1%. So totally different percentage gain on these trades and totally different results as we are looking at these. You can see stop losses are on every single trade, so we're always using a stop loss. So the copier is always copying the stop loss in here. And then as you can see, we did start this account at 100K, 23% for the month. We could do a little bit more breakdown on the actual pairs that are being traded. So the most trades that are given out are gold. So we had 9 on gold, then we had 8 on US 30, and then we had GU, we had 5, and then everything else, we had a little bit less. So most traded pair is gold, guys. Definitely take note of that. We've got the average holding time here. So some of these trades you can see we held for a good amount of time, but as you can see, let's look at, does it have gold on here? So it doesn't have gold on here, but we have US 30 right here. Longest time was about 4 hours. So I would say for the most part, there are a lot of different hold times for the trades. As you can see, let's go to like the wins here. So some of the wins, we have 18 hours, 39 minutes, 25 minutes, 1 day, 5 days, and this was a 2% win, 2 hours, 6 days. So it's really just all over the place. Some of the trades were holding for a bit longer, which is obviously completely okay. And then some of them were holding for a shorter duration of time, which is also completely okay. So the results for last month are in, guys, 24%. And the month prior to this, let's just go back to January. The month prior to this, we actually made 14.26%. So this was a big improvement from the previous month. Our highest was 117. So February, 24%. Great month, honestly, great results. And we found that these results could have even been improved by doing a simple risk management strategy of just moving your stop loss to break even after 1%. So when the trade goes up 1%, if you move the stop loss to break even, that actually improves these results by 14%. So your actual gain on the account would have been 37% for the month of February with the rapid signal. So we're going to continue to test this month. Like I said, March, we put it on a FTMO account, and we just passed in 10 days. So this is working on FTMO challenges as well. We're continuing to test that out, because the goal for us is to use this for the funded accounts and then also to use this for our trade copier as well. So let's take another look at the Rapid Signals channel. So guys, all the trades are posted with the sell, the price, the stop loss, and the TP levels. Again, we are just taking one position for this account. What you're seeing with these results, we are just opening one position for the final TP, and it's either hitting stop loss or hitting that take profit. We're not doing anything crazy when it comes to the risk management right now. We're just keeping it very, very simple. And then as you can see, we're asking people to submit the profits that they make. You guys have probably seen, if you follow the Instagram, that we post at the end of the week, every week, all the profits that people are making. And then we do a little giveaway. So everyone DMs us their profits, and then we pick one winner every week for a 25K funded account giveaway. So yeah, that's the Rapid Signals February. Great results, but we can only continue to improve from here. And we can't thank you guys enough for all the support. Look forward to giving more updates for March, because March we're already up about 12% for the month. So let's see how this month closes, and I'll chat with you guys again soon.